Hi guys. Welcome to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you how to create a captivating landing page for POD products with the implementation of AI tools that will make your holiday sale truly exceptional, especially for the upcoming Independence Day. Independence Day is the perfect time to showcase your patriotic products and engage with a patriotic audience who are eager to celebrate this significant holiday. With a well-designed landing page, you can captivate visitors and create a sense of excitement that encourages them to explore and make purchases. First things first, you need to determine the objective of your landing page. Are you looking to generate leads, drive direct sales, or simply create awareness about your patriotic products? When identifying the objective, to grab your visitors' attention, it is crucial to choose a visually appealing and cohesive theme for your landing page. It could be the incorporation of elements, such as the American flag, patriotic colors, and imagery that resonate with the spirit of Independence Day. Now, it's time to create an impressive landing page for 4th of July sale. You can take all advantages of PageFly template. Now, we are on the page editor, you can access template here. I will choose page types as landing page and choose this one. All you need to do now is to change the image and content. As you know, AI is gradually invading our lives and becoming an effective support tool. You can generate image from text using some tools like Lexica. You just need to describe the image you want, and it will generate the image for you. It's cool, right? Other tools such as Midjourney or Google's Deep Dream. Another tool that is easy to use is Canva. You can search for image you want here. Choose the one you like and download it. Get back to page editor and add this image as the background image for the hero banner. Don't forget to adjust the setting for background image in more settings. You can add value for padding top and bottom to customize the size of section. After choosing the theme, you need to craft compelling copy and headlines. ChatGPT is a great way to generate engaging headlines and compelling copy. Use persuasive language to show the special discounts or promotions that are available during the holiday period to create urgency and instills excitement in potential customers. I will do a quick demo for you. And here it is, ChatGPT generates some content. Then, change these heading contents and customize them a bit. Here is the result. Next, you should make it easy for visitors to take the desired action by placing clear and prominent call to action buttons on hero banner and other positions on your landing page. Whether it's shop now, get your Independence Day deals, or claim your discount, make sure your buttons stand out and lead visitors to the next step. You can add hover or selected state for it. Follow my instructions. And here is the result. Now it's time to showcase your patriotic products in an enticing way. High-quality images, title, price and variants are essential in capturing the interest of your audience. Click on the product list, move to General tab, and change the collection you want to feature. And here it is, it looks perfect now. Move to the next section. You should mention everything related to your products, how they are created, how customer can choose product, the way we pack and deliver to customer. These information will help customer understand about the purchase process and easily to make the decision. The next section could be the incredible POD collections for the upcoming Independence Day sale. We already have the content list element, you just need to change the featured image for each collection and link button to the collection. I will change the image here and then change the button content and add link to the button. You can do similarly for the rest. Click on the image, go to Styling tab and scroll down, click Select Background Image, and choose the one you like. For the button content, click on it and change it in General tab like this. You can copy the style of the button from section 1 and paste it like this. To link the button to the collection above, click on Click Action, and choose Scroll to Section. And then choose the collection section. All done, you can do the rest. And here is the result. In addition, you can emphasize that the holiday is just around the corner, and encourage viewers to take action before it's too late, by creating the sense of urgency. In this case, countdown timer element is completely helpful. You just need to drag and drop this element from Add Element from the left menu. Countdown Timer contains two small elements which are countdown number and countdown label. Customize its style a little bit. All done, it looks perfect. For this image, you can change image to make it align with Patriotic theme. I will modify this image by add a pod t-shirt. Don't forget to add the testimonial and newsletter section in your landing page like this. Almost done. Before publishing, you should switch to mobile device to check responsive. For this section, the heading is too large. You can reduce the font size of text and adjust the padding for the section. You can do similar for the rest sections. Now, hit save and publish to check the page on the live view. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tools to create a captivating landing page for your Patriotic products during the Independence Day sale. Remember, an attractive landing page can be the key to unlocking success and maximizing your sales during this patriotic holiday. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more new videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching.